How to fix WhatsApp status music option not showing. There are mostly two reasons why you might be having this issue. First, open up your Play Store. Now tap on search and on search bar type WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp and check if you need to update your WhatsApp. Most common problem people are having that they did not update their WhatsApp. Now after updating, mostly your problem will get resolved. So if this helped you out, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Comment what is the first song you will put on your status. Now after updating, if you still don't see the WhatsApp status music option, then you need to wait couple of days as this feature is rolling out slowly to everyone. You should receive this feature within couple of days.